you get this error code in Showdown 1896, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. So one should follow these instructions very carefully. Now this error code, which is 0x30001, as you see it here on this screenshot. Now listen to this very carefully. The error code, this one on Showdown 1896, is a server-side issue that occurs when the game servers are down or overloaded. The developers usually announce such issues on their social media pages. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. Monitor their social media pages for real-time announcement. Now, I joined their Discord and they announced their servers are down. As you can see here, if you join their Discord, I'll put the link on the description of this video. As you can see here, hunters, the team have been actively working throughout the night to access the issue that prevents 2.4 from being the stable experience with Strike 4. So this issue you get because their servers are down. You'll need to wait for a few hours until the servers are restored. Monitor their social media pages, especially their Discord. They normally announce here, or if you go here on the general announcement, they just normally announce. Okay, just go to their Facebook page here, which is Showdown. As you can see, they just announced regarding this problem here. Now listen to this very carefully. So you'll need to wait until the servers are restored. Monitor their social media pages for real-time announcements. In the meantime, while you wait, you can try the following. Try to restart your device in the router. Use a different network, such as using your phone's hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection. You can also get all the links to their social media pages through their website, which is called handshowdown.com. Also, this page here, you see join us through various social media pages here. So click to them. You can just join their Discord, ask them through any questions that you face, and they normally announce here on the general announcement if there is any problem. So thanks so much for watching this video and see you next time.